everyone. I'm Kirill, co-founder and CPO at Adapty, and we help mobile developers make, you can see it, make more money from the paywalls, in-app paywalls, web paywalls, and today I'm going to share some insights on how you can grow the revenue of your application. And thanks a lot for coming. So the truth is the number of downloads per app is decreasing. It's probably because of the increased competition thanks to AI boom. But at the same time, the revenue is growing. And the biggest factor for that is improving conversions. So conversion is the bottleneck for the revenue growth. And to come up with this data, we analyzed 73,000 paywalls with more than 2 billion revenue among them. And we came up with several interesting insights. The first one, let's talk about weekly subscriptions. If you know, we publish a subscription report every year. And last year was very dominant for the weekly subscriptions. We saw huge growth in them. And this year is similar. So as you can see on this chart, weekly subscriptions, they dominate in every region, and in most regions, they attribute more than half of the revenue, which is a good thing. The problematic thing is that they have really high churn rate. So 65% of the weekly subscriptions, they would churn within the first month after the customer subscribed to the application. There is a very easy way to improve retention, and for that, you have to introduce free trials into your application. As you can see on this chart, introducing free trials increase retention across all popular subscription durations. So it's weekly, monthly, and annual subscriptions. And to summarize that, we recommend using weekly subscriptions with the trials to increase initial conversion in your application, because this allows your customers to start using your application without long-term commitments. But soon, as you see the customers that are sticking to using your application, it might be a good idea to upsell them to the annual plans because they show higher LTV, and the customers who are ready to commit, they will be more willing to pay annually, and you will have higher LTV. The next interesting thing is pricing, subscription pricing in general, and we want to talk a little bit more about mid-priced products. From what we see, the mid-priced products, and that's the products that are priced 25 to 75% in the market, they perform worse than low-priced or high-priced products. And on top of that, the refund rate is also higher for them comparing to the high or low-price subscriptions. So do not use mid-tier plans because they do not show improved conversions and they tank your revenue. Use high prices instead. As you can see on this chart, the higher subscription, the higher the price for the subscription, the higher is the LTV. And it is important to gradually introduce higher price subscriptions. It could be just increasing the prices. It could be promoting longer subscription periods within your application, just like guys from Duolingo do here. So they incentivize you to purchase annual plan, and to buy another plans, you have to click a separate button. But what is the high price? What is the low price? And how do you generally think about pricing of your application? Today, for the first time in the history of our company, we will announce Adapty pricing index. So we analyze millions of transactions across more than 12,000 of applications, and we know what prices are the median for every geo, every country, and you will be able to download it. I'm going to share this the QR code, and you can download it by the end of my talk today. Another opportunity that we see, and we see more and more, especially bigger applications going this way, is investing more into the smaller markets, but some of them can show higher LTV than the United States. United States is still by far the most dominant country in the mobile subscriptions, accumulating roughly half of all the revenue. But there are some countries, as you can see from this chart here, that show higher LTV. and it is important to promote your application there. But to do it effectively, it's very important to localize the paywalls, onboardings, and applications in general. But if you don't have resources to do everything, just start with the paywalls, because we see that the average increase in conversion for the localized paywalls comparing to the non-localized is 27%, which is a huge number. So for the markets that don't speak English, use localization, and this will increase the conversion. Finally, we talk about it a lot. Using A/B testing is extremely crucial as well, because as you can see on this chart, it shows that the more experiments the app runs, the bigger their revenue. And the good thing about that is that if you run more experiments, you will have more customers joining your application as a paid ones, and so you will have more resources to run more experiments, and that's a good cycle. So definitely do A/B testing with the onboardings, with the paywalls, and different app strategies within your application. To summarize everything I was talking about today, first, make sure to use weekly subscriptions with the trials to easily onboard the paying customers into your application. And then once you see the product traction, once you see the customers who stick to your application, make sure to upsell them to the annual plans and longer subscription plans. Do not use mid-tier subscriptions because they perform poorly across all the segments. And instead push the premium pricing, but mind that in some countries you cannot sell subscription for, let's say, $100 because it's going to be too expensive for them. And for that, you have to be aware of the subscription pricing index that we will share today. Run experiments and localize the paywall. So these are the things that can be done rather quickly, especially if you do it with Adapty. So we have a paywall builder that allows you to build 100% native paywalls in minutes. We have an option to localize the paywall with AI. We have an option to show specific paywalls to different user audiences within your application. And it's all done from the dashboard. You don't have to go through the App Store or Google Play review. You can do it instantly. And as I promised, you can download Adapty subscription index today. We released it for the first time for the attendees of a promotion summit. Please make sure to download it. We analyzed lots of transactions, lots of applications, and you will find insightful information on how to price the products across different markets, across different app categories. And this is a very valuable information. Make sure to visit us at Booth 2 today throughout the day. We have lots of prizes. We have lots of information on how to do the A/B testing the right way, on how to build the paywalls, and we'll be happy to help you with that. Thanks a lot.